Imagine a spaceship landed right here on Earth, in Cupertino, California. Not just any spaceship, but a giant, gleaming circle of glass and steel nestled in a perfect green landscape. That's Apple Park, the $5 billion headquarters of one of the world's most powerful companies. The land alone costs $160 million to acquire. But is it all fancy design, or is there something more to this futuristic campus? Let's find out. I'm obsessed with how things are built, especially those that seem to push the impossible. The iconic Apple Park headquarters has been on my bucket list for a while. We're going deep inside to uncover the design secrets, the crazy stories behind its construction, and try to figure out what makes this place tick. This wasn't just about building another office. Apple Park was Steve Jobs' final project. It reflects everything Apple stands for: sleek design, mind-blowing innovation, and a touch of secrecy, of course. Jobs wanted this place to inspire collaboration and creativity. But there's more to this story. In terms of economic boost, it created jobs during construction and adds to the prestige of Silicon Valley. Apple Park is not the first, but actually the company's second campus built in Cupertino, California. It extends over 175 acres, houses 12,000 employees, the first structure to use the largest panels of curved glass, and 17 megawatts on-site solar power. The design Apple Park is a giant ring designed by architect Norman Foster. They call it the Spaceship, and for good reason. Its 2.8 million square feet of office space is wrapped in some of the biggest curved glass panels ever made. The main ring's circumference is exactly 1 mile, a nod to Steve Jobs' love of walking meetings. There's a massive central courtyard, filled with trees and designed to blend the lines between indoors and outdoors. In fact, landscapers brought in 9,000 trees, many drought-resistant, to create a California native park-like setting. Fancy design, sure, but it serves a purpose. This place is all about letting ideas flow. The collaborative layout and inspiring amenities aim to foster creativity and generate groundbreaking products. Here's where things get interesting. According to the company, Apple Park is one of the most environmentally friendly buildings in the world. It showcases cutting-edge, eco-friendly design and operations, pushing boundaries in sustainable architecture. It's covered in solar panels, they recycle water, and the whole place runs on renewable energy. 90% of the time, they don't even need heating or air conditioning thanks to clever natural ventilation. Turns out, good design isn't just about how things look. Let's step inside that giant ring. No chaos of cubicles here. Instead, you've got pods, open-plan workspaces designed for teams to collaborate. There's a massive cafeteria. They can serve 15,000 lunches a day, a 100,000 square foot fitness center, and even an orchard where employees can grab fresh fruit. This isn't your average workplace. Hidden away on a hill, there's the Steve Jobs Theater, a giant glass cylinder with an underground auditorium. This is where Apple announces their newest gadgets. It's a fitting tribute to the man who started it all, and a reminder of the innovation happening within these walls. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. $5 billion is a crazy amount for a headquarters, even for Apple. There was criticism about the extravagance and the focus on perfectionism that drove up costs and delayed the project. It raises questions about corporate spending and resource allocation. Plus, those early reports of employees walking into the pristine glass walls? Ouch. This prompted the addition of visual markers throughout the building. The sheer scale and semi-isolated location can feel intimidating and less integrated with the surrounding community. So, was Apple Park worth the hype and the expense? On one hand, it's a symbol of Apple's innovation and ambition. A space designed to encourage the creation of world-changing products. But on the other hand, is it a monument to excess? That's where you decide. Whether you love it or roll your eyes at it, Apple Park is undeniably impressive. It's a testament to the power of design, the pursuit of perfection, and maybe, just maybe, a glimpse into the future of work. Hit that like button if you want me to take you inside the world's iconic buildings and the stories behind them.